Ever wondered why some people and organizations are more innovative, influential, or profitable than others? It seems like a riddle wrapped in a mystery, doesn't it? Success is a multifaceted gem, gleaming with factors that are often overlooked. Among these factors, there's one that stands out, a golden thread weaving through the most successful stories. This thread, this secret ingredient, is insightfully explored in Simon Sinek's book, Start With Why. Dive into the world of Start With Why to uncover the secret behind true success. In Start With Why, Simon Sinek shares an incredible insight. He proposes a simple yet revolutionary framework called the Golden Circle. Picture a target with 3 rings. The outer ring is the what, the middle is the how, and at the bullseye we have the why. Most organizations and individuals operate from the outside in, starting with what. But the truly inspiring ones, as Sinek points out, start from the inside out, with the why. The why is your purpose, cause, or belief that inspires you to do what you do. It's the spark that ignites passion and drives innovation. The how represents the actions you take to realize your why, and the what is simply the result of those actions. By starting with why, we can inspire others, motivate ourselves, and create a ripple effect that leads to success. So it's not about what you do, but why you do it. Intriguing, isn't it? But how do you put this into practice? Well, let's start by acknowledging that each one of us has a unique why, a compelling reason that drives us forward. It could stem from your passion, your lifelong dream, or a cause that you deeply care about. Your why is not just about making a living, it's about making a life. To discover your why, reflect on what truly motivates you. What gets you out of bed every morning? What keeps you going when things get tough? Once you've identified your why, let it guide your actions and decisions. In your professional life, use your why to create a vision for your career. Let it inspire your work and shape your goals. In your personal life, let your why inform your relationships, your hobbies, and even your daily routines. So, are you ready to start with your why and transform your life? The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step, or in this case, one question. Why? The power of why is waiting to be unlocked. By diving into Start With Why, you're setting sail on an enlightening journey, one that promises to change your perspective and enrich your life. Imagine the possibilities when you begin to understand your purpose and align it with your actions. The benefits are profound. It's a compass for success, a beacon in times of uncertainty. Remember, the secret to success lies in your why. So start asking the right question today.